comes from high, an angel's touch for those who sigh. On the hilltop stands a silhouette, praying while the sun has set. Glowing clouds across the skies, love and hope they symbolize. Distant church with doors so wide, bathed in grace the faithful stride. Doves are soaring through the air, peace and faith beyond compare. In the glow of heaven's rays, every soul finds better days. Echoes of a calming hymn fill the valleys to the brim. Every heart feels pure, serene. In this holy light they gleam. Gentle whispers in the breeze carry prayers through ancient trees. Every flower starts to bloom. In the light there's no more gloom. Hands held high towards the light, souls united in the night. Every dove now takes its flight, guided by the holy sight. Doves all soaring through the air, peace and faith beyond compare. In the glow of heaven's rays, every soul finds better days.